Hi, I'm Dezhou from Team Jia, and this is the first of the many videos we're going to make to bring you with us on our journey to the Solar Decathlon China 2018.
There will be a new video each week to keep you posted on what we've been doing, and there's a lot going on, so try to stay tuned. But let's start at the beginning.
I wish you a very pleasant flight.
While a big part of the team was moving from the first construction site in Xiamen to Dezhou, along with the house, the rest of the French team flew all the way from Paris to Beijing on Friday the 6th. Finally, we took the train to Dezhou, where we had the chance to watch France qualify itself for the semi-finals of the World Cup, but most importantly, to reunite with everyone.
So first of all, I would like to say welcome to Solar Decathlon China 2018.
On the two next days, we attended some meetings between the committee and all of the 20 other teams to go through the rules of the competition, the safety briefing, and some last-minute adjustments.
Good luck to everyone.
As the rest of the Xiamen team arrived, we used those peaceful moments to sympathize with the other teams from all around the world and learn to know each other. It was fun times. Last day of tranquility. We went to visit our construction site and plan what we were going to do next.
Ok, on est dimanche 8 juillet, l'équipe est arrivée au complet, nous sommes maintenant 45 membres là présents sur le chantier aujourd'hui. L'équipe a découvert donc les fondations qui ont été terminées en urgence ces derniers jours, mais tout est prêt pour démarrer demain à 7 h. Le temps est avec nous pour l'instant, ça se tient, on y compte bien et puis tout le monde est d'attaque pour y arriver.